Hi, good morning, boys and girls. It is so good to see you again. Oh my goodness, I miss you guys so much, and I cannot wait until we are in the classroom again. So, until that time, I'm going to tell you a story today, okay? Do you remember what my friend's name is? Let me go get him. Do you guys remember Leo? Say hi, Leo. I know he misses you guys too. And when he sees you, he's going to give you a great big hug, just like that. So, Leo, how are you doing today? Leo says he's really thankful. What are you thankful about? Thanksgiving's coming up. Do you guys know what Thanksgiving is? Leo says it's time for him to eat a lot of food in Thanksgiving. And it's also a time for us to see our families too. Sometimes during Thanksgiving, we'd get together with our grandma and grandpa, our cousins and other family and friends. I don't know about this year because there's a pandemic going on, so we've had to stay inside and not have as much contact with our family and friends as we have in the past, hasn't it? But we could always eat meals with our family and be thankful for that. Leo says he's got a lot to be thankful. He loves it when he goes fishing with his big daddy. Yeah, that's a lot of fun for me too. Yeah, so there is so much for us to be thankful. So let's talk about that for a little bit, okay? So Leo just told me that he loves to say thank you to his mommy when she gives him a cookie. By saying thank you, he's saying that he really appreciates it and he loves her when she does that. So when we give thanks to God, it's like we're giving God a great big hug for what makes us happy. So I'm wondering, what makes you happy? Leo says he loves fishing with his daddy. That makes him happy. I love when my son cooks me dinner sometimes. Oh, that makes me so happy when he makes some really yummy food for me. So what about you? What makes you happy? So we can tell God thank you for things that make us happy. It's like we're giving a hug to God. So we can say, oh God, thank you for the beautiful weather that we're having. We can give a hug just like that. And that's like God's giving us a hug back. So now let's close our eyes and let's think about something that makes us happy as we say, thank you, God. Thank you, God, for the sun, the trees, the moon and the stars, for our mommies and daddies, and our friends and our families. And thank you for this great Thanksgiving that we're going to have coming up. Isn't that a great way to tell God thank you? And you can do that anytime. Whenever you're happy or about something, you can just say, thank you, God, and give yourself a hug. It feels really good, too. So now let's sing a song. So we have a song that Leo taught me earlier, and it goes like this. I am thankful, I am thankful, yes I am, yes I am. I'm so very thankful, I'm so very thankful, yes I am, yes I am. So we could also change that and we can say what we're thankful for. I am thankful for the sun, for the sun. I'm so very thankful, I'm so very thankful, yes I am, yes I am. So what else can we be thankful for? How about for our pets? Let's say our pets, like our dog. I have a dog. I'm thankful for him. I am thankful. I am thankful for my dog. For my dog. I'm so very thankful. I'm so very thankful. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So how about, what else do you want to be thankful for? Our mommies and daddies. Yes. I am thankful. I am thankful for my mom and dad. For my mom and dad. I'm so very thankful. I'm so very thankful. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So you can sing that song about whatever you like, about whatever makes you happy. So boys and girls, we have this great book to read. I'm sure you're going to like it.
This book is called Counting Blessings, and it's written by a nice lady named Debbie Boone. I'm happy. Do you know why? I've discovered the secret of happiness. Do you want me to tell you? Counting blessings. No kidding. Every day, anywhere, all the time. You know, things that you are thankful for, things that you're happy about. Did you ever try not to laugh when somebody was tickling you? Well, when you count your blessings, it's like getting tickled on the inside. Your frown turns upside down and your heart begins to sing. So come on, let's try it right here, right now. Let's start with 3. I'll go first. Number 1 blessing, my eyes, so I can see all the blessings around me. Like number 2, my fat cat Cleo. He's asleep on my bed, which is actually number 3. My bed, I mean. The coziest place in the whole wide world. Now it's your turn. Count your blessings. 1, 2, 3. By yourself or here with me. Count the blessings in plain view or close your eyes and see a few. Count them standing on your head. Count them while you lie in bed. Keep a few in your back pocket. Tuck a few inside a locket. Count your blessings when you're blue. Count them when you're happy too. When I first started, I wrote a few blessings down each day and kept them in a box. 2 weeks later, I read them all at once. Wow, did I feel happy! Now I can't stop. I'm counting blessings inside, and I'm counting blessings outside. Blessings that start with the letter P, or any other letter. Blessings that go from A to Z. It's a personal favorite. How many blessings can I count in a minute? Blessings that rhyme. Now this takes an expert. Thank you for the big green tree with the tree house that Dad made for me. For all the toys and all the fun my friends and I have in the sun. There are no rules. No blessing is too big or too small. If you count it as a blessing, then it is one. Here's the deal. Think about things that make you sad and you'll be sad. Things like being hurt or lost, or when someone says no, that'll make you sad. But think about things in your life that make you happy and you'll be happy. Like your friends and music and colors and dancing. Take it from me. Once you realize how full of blessings your life really is, you'll feel almost like you're going to explode. And that's great. because that's when you start looking around for ways to become a blessing to someone else. With a smile, or a kind word, or a helping hand, or a hug. Blessings are like hugs from God to let you know how much He loves you. Counting blessings is like hugging God back. The end.
Wasn't that a great story? I love that story. It was my first time to hear it, so I really am going to read it again. So let's talk about it. So he starts out saying, I've discovered the secret to happiness. Do you want me to tell you? So I bet you know the secret to happiness. What do you think it is? Yeah, it's being happy and being with our family and being with our friends. Yeah, eating good food too for Thanksgiving. So the story also says that things that we are thankful for, things that make us happy, those are blessings. So what is something that you are happy about? Yes, our animals, our dogs and cats, our brothers and sisters, sometimes. Yeah, our church, the sun and the moon, and the beach, and the mountains, and our toys. So all those things that we're happy about, those are blessings. So he counts to 3 blessings. So what are the 3 things that you're really, really thankful for? Do you want to count them? So I'll go first. So my first blessing is my family. I have 2 boys, just like you guys. They're big boys now, but I'm so happy for my little boys. And I have a dog, that's my number 2. I love my dog, he's so sweet. He brings me a lot of joy. And number 3 is, I love being outside in this beautiful weather where it's nice and cool and it's not too hot and not too cold. Those are 3 things that I love. What are 3 things that you love? I know you guys, I can't hear you, but I know you are having some wonderful things that you like. I can't wait for you to tell me about it. So, the story also tells us to close our eyes and count our blessings. Do you want to close your eyes and get quiet and think about the things that you really love, that are really what makes you happy? So when you close your eyes, you can see, what does it look like? Does it have a smell? What color is it? Yeah, so sometimes when we close our eyes, we can think of blessings too. So it also tells us to count our blessings inside and out. So what are some blessings that are inside the house that you can count? I like having the fireplace or the heater on when it's cold outside and the air conditioner on when it's too hot outside. So I like that my house keeps me cozy no matter what the temperature. I'm really thankful about that. I'm also thankful about just having a house here in Houston, Texas. It's so nice to have a safe, cozy place to stay in. I'm thankful for my family that lives with me. And I'm thankful for the times that we get to cook dinner together and eat dinner together. That's really important to me. So what are some things that you're thankful for that are inside your house? I think some of you are probably saying all your toys, aren't you? And probably your pets, and I know your mom and dad's. grandparents too, and brothers and sisters. There's so many things inside the house that you can be thankful for. So what about outside? What are some things outside that you're thankful for? Maybe the pretty flowers, the big trees, and rainbows, and this blue sky, the big fluffy white clouds. Oh, and the sun that keeps us warm during the day. And the moon and the stars that shine so bright at night. There's so many things outside to be thankful for. Those are all blessings. You know, the book also tells us that when we are full of happy thoughts and we have a lot of happy thoughts inside of us, then we can be a blessing to someone else. So how can you be a blessing to someone? Maybe sometimes when we help to pick up the dishes after dinner, I know that's a big blessing for Mommy and Daddy. But when we clean up our room, that can be a blessing too. And sometimes when we're just nice and say please and thank you, that's so important. And those are ways that we can be a blessing to others. And if we see a friend that needs help, maybe tying their shoe or drawing a picture and we help them, or when we let them borrow our colors, those are ways that we can be a blessing to someone else. So the last pages of the book say that blessings are like hugs from God to let you know how much He loves you. And counting blessings is like hugging God right back. So think about a blessing that you have. We've talked about so many today. Think about a blessing and then give yourself a hug, because that's just like you're giving God a hug. So since God is inside of us, hugging ourselves is like hugging God. So think of a blessing that you like, something that you're really thankful for. And give yourself a big hug. You know what I'm thankful for right now? I'm thankful to be able to spend this time with you. And I'm so thankful, and I cannot wait until we can see each other again. So I'm just going to keep thinking about seeing you again and giving you. That's going to be a great big blessing, and give myself a great big hug and say, thank you, God. So I cannot wait until we are back together again. So boys and girls, I have had so much fun today, and I cannot wait to see you. So have a great Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you soon, okay? Bye.